Hi there, this is Ron Wade with IDT again with a follow-on technical tidbit to our transmission line discussion. I have a similar drawing here where we have a output from a device with a series resistor driving a 50 ohm transmission line. However, instead of just a capacitor representing the load over here, I have a drawing of an SoC with a die in the middle, and this is a large SoC, so that you've got a distance between the package pin and the die itself. In this case, because this is source terminated, the only valid measurements for signal integrity are at the end of the transmission line, which in this case is at the die. Most SoCs don't let you measure at the die, so you're forced to be measuring at the pin on the package. You'll know if this is a problem for you because when you get the waveform of your clock, you'll see a step on the rising edge and a similar step on the falling edge. And this is just indicative of not being at the end of the transmission line. You usually can't get to the pad on the die, so what you could do as a test, especially if this is socketed, or before you actually put these on the board, you can do your signal integrity measurements. You take this off the board and you measure at the pin where the clock comes into. And because there's no SoC there with this bond wire as shown here going to the die, you will actually be at the end of the transmission line. And when you're at the end of the transmission line, you won't have these kinks on the rising and falling edge. So that's the technical tidbit for today. Thanks.